Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, here we are again back with the restocked collection of borderless soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight and soft in nature and a perfect wear for any kind of occasions. Beautiful and unique buttas are there running all over the body along with contrast or running rich pallu and plain blouse. All these beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. As these are highly demanded collection, the stocks are usually finishing within hours after posting the video. So please make your order as soon as possible. And don't worry if you are not getting the stock. Every week we are restocking the same collection. And if you wanted to get a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description. And please note, we don't have cash on delivery. Our payment mode is through only online. You can pay either using UPI IDs or you can directly transfer to the account. And the product reservation only after payment. Please avoid making direct calls. Please do share any kind of queries to the given WhatsApp number. Hope you guys like these very beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.